Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Ram 1500 Laramie Crew Cab in ivory white. With black headlamp bezels, LED fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, lane keep assist, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 18,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, heated rear seats, spray-in bed liner, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5720.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.